energy. What is electric potential energy and derive formula for it. Consider a system of charges. The charges of the system exert electric force on each other. We define change in electric potential energy of the system as the negative of the work done by the electric force as the configuration of the system changes. Let here this is point A and this is point B. At point A there is a charge Q1, here charge Q1 and here charge Q2 and Q2 is taken from a point B to point C. Point B to point C तक हम इस Q2 को ले जाना चाहते हैं. Let point C along the line ABC and this line is your ABC. AB is R1. AB distance is R1 and distance AC is R2 and distance AC is equals to R2. That means here to here this distance is here R1 and this distance is here R2. And let here be this point, this distance is dr. From here to here this distance is dr and here this distance, net distance is from here to here be at any point. At any point there is a charge Q2 and position Q2 के लिए हम लोग इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Electric force on charge Q2 is F is equals to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught and here this is 1 by R square and towards AB this force is towards AB. The work done by this force in the small displacement dr is here dw and this is work done and work done is equals to force into displacement F dr. That means you can write F is here Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R square and this is dr. You can write the total work done as the charge Q2 moves from B to C is here integration. This is dw का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया हमारे पास w और बाकी के लिए हम लिख लेते हैं Q2 Q1 this one. That means integration this is Q1 to Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by R square and this is along your AB and this is dr and limit will be from R1 to R2. This is R1 to R2. Work done initially 0 and finally W. That means this is W and W is equals to here this is Q1 Q2 constant को हम बाहर निकाल देते हैं. This is 4 pi epsilon naught and here integration R1 to R2 1 by R square dr. You will get W is equals to here Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is here R पे power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 and here ये R1 to R2. That means this will be Q1 and this is Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is here minus 2 plus 1 that means be minus 1. That means this is 1 by R1. लिमिट पुट करने के बाद लिखेंगे 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 after putting the limit. Remember, no work is done by the electric force on the charge Q1 as it is kept fixed. The change in potential energy that means UR2 minus UR1. This is UR1. This is change in potential energy is here negative of work done. That means negative of work done. That means you can write here this is Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught and this will be 1 by R2 minus 1 by R1. This is your work done. Negative of work done. We choose the potential energy of two charge system to be zero when they have infinite separation. That means when they are widely separated. This means U infinity is equal to 0. The potential energy when the separation is R. When the separation is R, that means you write UR is equal to UR minus u infinity. You can write q1 q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and here ur is 1 by r, this is 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity tends to 0, that means you can write q1 by q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by r. This is your potential energy. Now you can say the potential energy depends essentially on the separation between the charges and is independent of the spatial location of the charged particles. Using this expression, we can find the electric field due to dipole at point P. In the given figure, here P1 is a small displacement in the direction of OP. P1. This is P1 is the small displacement along the direction of OP. And P2, here P2, this point is P2. P2 is your small displacement in radial direction, and P2 is in transverse direction. That means you can say P1 is in your radial direction, and P2 is in transverse direction. This is in radial direction, this is in transverse direction. In going from P to P1, the angle does not change, and the distance OP changes. The distance OP changes from r to r plus dr. And again here P1 is here, P1 is here, P1 is here, dr. That means a small change in distance. In going from P to P2, here, see the figure, P2, the angle theta changes from theta to theta plus d theta. This angle is d theta, theta plus d theta, while the distance r remains same, almost constant. Thus P2 is here r d theta, because this is your r and this is r, and this length will be using this formula. This is r, this is theta, this is l. Theta equals to L by r. That means L equals to r theta, and theta is here d theta. So here arc length L is equals to r d theta. So we have used here r d theta P2. The component of electric field at P is in radial direction. P1 is here given by ER. In radial direction is given by ER. ER is equals to minus dV by P1. That means you can say this is minus dV by dV. This is dr. And here you can say this is in two variable. So apply here partial differentiation. Using partial differentiation you can write del V and this is del R. Equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by R square. Using this expression here you will get ER is equals to, here this is P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught R square, and this is del R. That means hit P cos theta 4 pi epsilon naught R square dr, del R. And here theta is constant and P is constant, 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. So you can write P by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is cos theta, and del, this is R square, so this is minus 2 and this is del R. Now use differentiation. So differentiation P cos theta 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be your minus 2 r to the power minus 3. That means finally your result will be, this is negative negative positive, that means equal to 2p cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is r cube. This is the electric field at radial position P1. Here in radial position your theta is constant, r is here variable. So theta को हमने क्या किया है, डिफरेंशिएशन के बाहर कर दिया है और उसको नॉर्मल जो डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं उसके अनुसार डिफरेंशिएशन किया, तो ये आपके पास रिजल्ट आ गया. Similarly, the component of electric field at P in the direction of your PP2, that means transverse direction, is given by here E theta. E theta is equals to here dV P P2, and PP2 is R d theta. That means you can write minus dV, and this is R d theta. You can write. Again, use here partial differentiation. You will write E theta minus del V R del theta. This is. Now use this term here. So after using this term you will get, this is P cos theta by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is R square, and this is R del theta. In transverse direction, here R is fixed, R is constant, but theta is variable. So थीटा को हम क्या करते हैं, आगे रखते हैं और उसको हम लोग बाहर कर देते हैं. तो हमारे पास जो टर्म आएगा वो इस तरह से कुछ लिखेंगे हम लोग, P by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is here R cube, and this term is here del cos theta, and this is del theta. Cos theta का डिफरेंशिएशन हम लिखेंगे माइनस sin theta, that means this is minus minus plus, that means you can write this is P sin theta, and this is 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is R cube. This is E theta. Resultant electric field at P is given by here. You can write resultant electric field at P. Here E theta and ET both are perpendicular to each other. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their resultant will be here. You can write ER plus ER square plus E theta square root over. You can write. That means here दो वेक्टर के परपेंडिकुलर होने के लिए रिजल्टेंट के लिए आपके पास फॉर्मूला है, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab cos theta. Here theta is 90 degree, so cos 90 0, that means this term will be omit, and this is a square plus b square root under. So here ER, this is ER square plus E theta square root over. कॉमन 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught को हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं, स्क्वायर करके रूट करेंगे तो वही वैल्यू आएगा. That means you can write common 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. इसको यहाँ लिखते हैं, this is here. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, जो कि अंदर होता है लेकिन उसको हम लोग बाहर निकाल दे रहे हैं रूट के बाहर. And this value is here ER. ER is 2p cos theta by R cube, and this is whole square plus p sin theta. P sin theta by R cube, and this is your whole square. That means if this resultant electric field makes an angle alpha with the radial direction OP, then we have tan alpha is equal to E theta by ER. That means you can write P sin theta, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will cancel out, P sin theta by R cube divided by 2p cos theta by R cube. After solving this you will get tan alpha is equals to half, and this will be p cancel out, R cube cancel out, that means you can write half, and this is tan theta. That means alpha is equals to here tan inverse half tan theta. This is your angle, and this is the value E. ये आपके पास वैल्यू आ गया, दिस इज E. इन दिस स्पेशल केसेस इफ थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0, फर्स्ट इफ थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0, इफ थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0, that means cos 0 is 1, that means this will be 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 root under 4 is here 2, that means this will be E will be here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is P R cube, and this will be into 2, that means 2P by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube is your electric field. In this situation, if theta is 0, P lies on the axis of dipole. Axis of dipole, and from this equation here, if you are going to put theta equals to 0, this will be 1, 3 plus 1, 4, root under 4 is here 2. That means this is 2P by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. The field at such a point from this equation is along the axis, and such position of the point P is called end-on position. This position is called end-on position. This position is called end-on position. The field, now if theta is 90 degree, if theta is 90 degree, if theta is 90 degree, cos 90 is here 0, that means this will be root under 1, root under 1 is 1, that means in this case here, this is P by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is R cube, and such position is called your broadside on position. This is called broad side on position. In this position, P lies at the your vertically, that means here perpendicular bisector, and in this case you can find your angle also. Angle के लिए यहाँ पे put करेंगे tan 90 is your infinity, tan infinity is here again 90 degree, that means alpha is here 90 degree. That means field is anti-parallel to the dipole axis, and such position is called broadside on position.